Dustin from Snapp Digital. In this video, we're going to show you how to add your advertisement RSS feeds to your Signagelive playlists for each of your devices. To get started, sign into your Signagelive dashboard, click on Content, Playlist, and Create Edit. Next, you'll click on the Add button at the top and add the RSS MRSS feed. Head over to the Snapp Digital dashboard, click on Manage Devices. You'll see your location, and to the right of it, you'll see your device management. When there are ads actually assigned to that location, this black square will actually show the ads, but right now we don't have any ads assigned. Either way, you'll go to the bottom and find the MRSS feed link. You'll click that. Simply copy the URL at the top, go back to your Signagelive dashboard. You'll go ahead and paste that in, give it a name, and click Save. Once saved, the quickest way to find your new RSS feed is to go over to Recently Added, and then take your RSS feed and go ahead and assign it to your playlist, save your playlist, and once you publish to your Signagelive player, anytime a new ad is uploaded through Snapp Digital, it will automatically update your RSS feed in Signagelive and play the new ad content on your device. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to email us at support@snappdigital.com, and we'll see you in the next video.